In this question, we're given a set of 4 numbers and we're asked to put them into order, starting with the largest to the smallest. Now, before I start, I just want to show you a few things. So what we do is we count in threes. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. So the digits are grouped into threes. Now, this first digit is in the ones column or the units column. Now, I want you to know this. Children are taught ones, and the older children will know this as units. This is the tens column, and this is the hundreds column. Now, the next 3 columns are going to be the thousands columns. So this is the thousands column. This is the tens of thousands column. And this is the hundreds of thousands column. And this digit is the millions column. So what we have here is a 7-digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And it starts with 1,230,650. I've written all the numbers down as they appear in the list. Now we need to sort them out into order. Always start on the column on the left. In this case, it's our millions column. And if we look down here, they're all ones. So what we do is move on to the next column. So I'm going to go down here and look for the largest digit. Right, this here is the largest digit. So I know that this number here, which I'm going to cross out, is the largest. So this here is the largest. So this will point to the first number. So what I'm going to do is just get rid of this. So we've used this column. So let me just scribble that out. Now we're going to look at the second column again. They're all zeros. So what we do is move on to the next column. So let me scribble this out. So if we go down here, you have a 0, a 2, and a 0. And this is the largest number. So I know that this number is the next largest. So it was the second number in the list. And that points there. What I'm going to do is cross this number out. So let's continue down this column. So these two are both the same. So we cross this out and move on to the next column. It's the thousands column. So if we go down this column, they're both nines. So we can't tell which is bigger at the moment. So we cross this out and we move on to the hundreds column. So if you go down the hundreds column, this is a 9 and this is a 0. So this is the next biggest number. So I can cross that out. And that's that number there. So that's the third largest. So we can point that down there. And there's only one left. It's this one. So we can point that down to there. Now this is just one way of doing this. You might have learned a different method, so go ahead and apply it.